Okay. Now, if I want to multiply, now I am telling you this is little heavier for your grade 2, but you are good in grade 1, right? You are good with one digit table, right? Yes or no? Shall I take a rapid fire?
Oh,
Okay. You don't want to give? ठीक है. Dhiran don't want to give rapid fire. Who wants to give rapid fire?
और क्या
Kiara.
बोलो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
Very good. ठीक है. Kiara. Okay. And Ganishka, ready for rapid
यस
fire?
यस
Okay. I am muting Dhiran. Dhiran को म्यूट कर रहा हूँ. तेरे को नहीं देना रैपिड फायर.
नहीं करना है।
तो फिर आवाज नहीं. जिसका नाम लूंगा, I will call out the name. Only that person will answer, right? No other person should answer. Okay. Clear,
ओके
Dhiran? Dhiran, specifically, listen very carefully, right? Don't talk in between. Even if you know, please don't talk in between. ठीक है? चलो. Yeah, Ganishka, start with you, right? Everybody has to keep on mute. Ready, Ganishka?
यस
5 8
फाइव एट जा 40
not repeating question, only answer, right?
सर आई कांट सी योर बोर्ड
जरूरत नहीं ना बेटा, मैं दिख रहा हूं ना. बस काफी है, राइट? आई एम स्पीकिंग, आई एम नॉट राइटिंग एनीथिंग. इट्स अ रैपिड फायर. हाय ध्रुवित. ध्रुवित, गुड
Sir, he is
मॉर्निंग.
sir, he is coming. Just
ध्रुवित कहाँ था बेटा? ध्रुवित
yes, हाँ
कहाँ था बेटा? आज लेट आया बेटा?
हाँ मतलब टिकट
वेयर इज द बैकग्राउंड नॉइस कमिंग? हेलो, बैकग्राउंड नॉइस कहाँ से आ रहा है बेटा?
सॉरी सर
ओके, हु इज टॉकिंग?
अज्जी माय
अजी.
ग्रैंडमदर
अच्छा अच्छा, अजी. अजी को बोलो. अजी, टेल अजी. अजी, माय क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन. माय सर इज शाउटिंग एट मी. है ना?
अज्जी सॉरी
नो, डोंट से सॉरी. अजी को बोलो थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, नॉट से. आई अजी को थोड़ी सॉरी बोलने को बोल सकते हैं. अजी कितनी बड़ी है, राइट?
हाँ
वेरी गुड. तो वी कांट से टेल हर टू सॉरी, राइट? वी हैव टू से सॉरी. ठीक है, चलो. गणेश का रेडी? हाय
यस
ध्रुवित, गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग
सो गया था क्या?
हाँ
ठीक है, चलो. आई एम टेकिंग वन डिजिट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन. गुड दैट यू केम. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेक्चर टुडे. आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू टू डिजिट बाय वन डिजिट मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड थ्री डिजिट बाय वन डिजिट डिवीजन. मेंटली कैसे करेगा?
मेंटल
वेरी गुड. करेगा? डर लग रहा है?
थोड़ा थोड़ा
डर लगने से क्या होगा बेटा? मम्मी डॉक्टर है ना?
मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेंटली
मेंटली, यस. मम्मी डॉक्टर है, राइट? मम्मी इंजेक्शन देगी तो डर लगता है?
मम्मी इंजेक्शन देती नहीं
नहीं नहीं नहीं, सीरियस. ठीक है. लेकिन अगर इंजेक्शन देना पड़ा, अच्छा, कड़वी दवाई तो देती है मम्मी, के नहीं देती? वो भी नहीं देती है?
नहीं मैं तो होम्योपैथिक तो मीठी
मीठी
गोली
दवाई देती है?
हाँ
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. चलो, अब क्या करूं? ठीक है, चलो. सो ओके, सो डरना नहीं है बेटा. आराम से सोच के करना है. लर्न द टेक्निक. यू कैन डू लाइक क्विक. आई एम डूइंग वन लेवल अप फॉर यू, राइट? बिकॉज यू आर ऑल गुड स्टूडेंट. आई विल चेक बाय वन डिजिट का टेबल. ठीक है, देन आई विल गो अहेड. ओके गणेश का रेडी बेटा? अगेन I'll tell you the question. You have to give the answer only. Correct?
नो रिपीटिंग आंसर
No repeating answer. And nobody else. When I'm asking Ganishka, I'll ask Ganishka 5 6 questions. Then I'll ask Dhiran. Then I'll ask Kiara. Then I'll ask Dhruvit. Right? So I'll ask everyone. Everybody will get the chance. Yes or no?
यस
Yes. So you don't have to answer. Even she or he takes time. Please wait for this. Right? Chalo, Ganishka, ready?
यस सर
6 7 जा.
6
What happened?
42
Too much time. 7 nines are
63.
6 fives are
30.
5 nines are
45.
9 eights are
72.
okay. 8 sevens are
56.
7 nines are
63.
7 sevens are
49.
8 eights are
56.
very good. 8 eights are not 7 eights are 8 eights are
64.
very good. Is your mom there? Mom or dad? Anybody? Both are in hospital.
My mother went to leave Dia in dance class.
Sorry.
My mother went to leave Dia in dance class.
Okay. By the class end, she will come.
Yeah.
Okay. When she comes, let me know. Okay. Okay. I'm going to send you one worksheet today. Okay, to solve, right? है ना? Correct. The speed has to increase. Okay, Dhiran, ready?
Yes.
Okay, 8 fives are
40.
5 nines are
45.
9 sevens are
63.
7 eights are
56.
8 sevens are
42.
8 sevens are
56.
okay, 9 six are
54.
6 nines are
54.
8 sevens are
What?
8 sevens are
56.
9 eights are
72.
okay, 2 nines are
80.
okay, 3 fives are
50.
4 sevens are
30. No, 28.
very good. Good. Danishka, did you check the speed? How you have to be very quick, right? With this. Okay. Kiara, ready?
Yes.
Okay. 5 fives are
25.
6 six are
36.
9 nines are
81.
8 fives are
40.
5 sevens are
56.
5 sevens are
5 sevens are 35.
very good. 8 nines are
22.
6 sevens are
56.
7 nines are
63.
9 sevens are
63.
7 nines are
63.
9 sevens are
63.
मेरा रिकॉर्ड अटक गया ना 7 nines are 9 sevens are 9 sevens are 7 nines are हैं okay 5 fours are
20.
3 nines are
27.
2 sevens are
14.
6 sevens are
42.
okay 7 fours are
28.
5 threes are
15.
very good correct चलो ध्रुवित आपला माइक ऑन करा आपला माइक कशाला बंद आहे बंद क्यों किया था तेरे को मालूम है पेनल्टी है
तो दे दो
माइक
ना
बंद करेगा तो
उसको
माइक बंद करेगा तो एक चॉकलेट देना पड़ेगा
चॉकलेट
तो माइक बंद करो सब लोग
बेटा मेरे को देना पड़ेगा तुमको धीरन लेना नहीं पड़ेगा तुमको देना पड़ेगा मेरे को
अरे वो चॉकलेट ही नहीं है
चॉकलेट नहीं है तो बेटा पैसा मम्मी को लो जीपे कर दे मैं ले लूंगा चॉकलेट यहाँ से ठीक है चलो ध्रुवित ओके
1 रुपया दे
धीरान आवाज बंद कर ये बोलता कितना है धीरान चलो ध्रुवित रेडी
यस
6 5 जा
6 5 30
ओके 5 4 जा
4 20
ओके 4 7 जा
4 7 28
8 6 जा 8 6 जा
56
7 8 है 8 6 जा
48
ओके 7 9 जा
7, 7, 9 the 63.
Okay. 9 6 are
9,
6 are.
54.
Very good. Okay. 3 5 are.
3 5 the
क्वेश्चन रिपीट नहीं करना है, ओनली आंसर.
15.
ओके. 3 7 are.
21.
9 4 are.
9 4 the 28.
9 4 are 28.
9 4 the 40, 36.
36.
आए धीरान, बोला ना बीच में मत बोल. म्यूट करो क्या यार. ध्रुवित, मम्मी है?
हाँ सर.
हाँ. मैम सुन रहे हो आप?
हाँ हाँ बोलिए.
मैंने आपको वर्कशीट दिया था, मालूम है, लास्ट ईयर स्टार्ट में.
हाँ सर.
कितना किया ऑनेस्टली बताओ इसने?
एक दो बार मतलब गैप तो बहुत है अभी फिलहाल तो टेबल्स के लिए.
अभी मैं दे रहा हूँ, नहीं तो आप
हाँ
उसको काम करो, कपड़ा पैक करो, क्रिसमस में मेरे घर पे भेज दो उसको.
वो तो करना पड़ेगा सर. मैं यहाँ को जा रहा हूँ.
अभी मैं वर्कशीट दे रहा हूँ आज बेटा तुमको. आई एम गिविंग वर्कशीट टुडे.
हाँ सर.
वो वर्कशीट मैं आपको वापस भेजता हूँ आज, राइट?
हाँ सर.
I want every day he has to do 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening.
हाँ
And
सर.
Christmas में 4 times. 5 minute morning, afternoon, evening and night. समझ में आया?
उसको बोलो सर उसको.
उसको नहीं बोलो, उसको नहीं सुनता तो मेरे पास भेज दो.
नहीं सुनेगा आपका. आप उसको बोलोगे तो
नहीं,
मतलब.
मेरा सुनेगा नहीं ना, मैं तो पंखे से उठका लटका के काम कराता हूँ उससे. वो ब्रेन में क्या होता है उसका? ब्रेन में, यू आर डॉक्टर राइट? ब्रेन में थोड़ा उसका ब्लड सर्कुलेशन कम हो रहा है ना? तो उसका पंखा से उसका उठका लटका घुमाओगा तो मस्त ब्लड सर्कुलेशन होगा, तो सीधा हो जाएगा, है ना बेटा ध्रुवित?
सारे लाइफ में
करेगा? घर पे कर,
चले
घर पे बैठ के करना है, मेरे घर पे आना है, डिसाइड कर.
घर पे बैठ गए
अपने घर पे करना है, मेरे घर पे करना है? व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, टेल मी.
अपने घर पे.
तेरे घर पे तो बेटा मॉर्निंग वॉक पे निकलूंगा तो तेरे को घर पे लेके आ जाऊंगा,
हाँ एक्चुअली.
है ना? तो यू आर सो नियर टू मी. तो बेटा तू तो बिल्कुल मस्ती कर नहीं सकता है. ओके, घनिष्का कैन डू बिकॉज घनिष्का इज इन दुबई. ओके, क्यारा कैन डू, शी इज इन थाने. धीरान कैन डू बिकॉज शी इज इन पवई. बट यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, राइट? You are very near to me. Paksh is also in Goregaon, but you are the nearest one. So I am giving you Ganeshka for you also. I'll give you worksheet and show it to you. I'll explain to mom. Take a printout. Every day you have to write 5 minutes in the morning, afternoon, evening. 3 times you have to do it, right? Yes.
करना है तो करना.
Yes. What happened?
Can I go to washroom?
Yes. Now. Okay. Now when Ganeshka's mom come na, I'll tell you. You are here, right? Dhruvid mom.
हाँ हाँ.
You are here only, right? Just wait because when I come now, because both have the similar problem. So I'll tell you what to do. Correct?
उनका गैप
Hello.
बहुत हो जाता है इसका तो.
I know what is the problem, but when it comes to Ganeshka mom, Ganeshka beta, when mom comes, let me know. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. So I'm opening this worksheet. Okay, I'm going to give you some time. I'll explain first and then I'll tell you how to do it, right? First, we'll take the multiplication, right? Can you see my screen? Is my screen visible?
No.
No, it will be visible. It will take some time to.
There are Desi sharing screen.
देसी नहीं है, देसाई है वो. एक तो पढ़ता नहीं ढंग से. हाँ धीरान. Okay, can you see now?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ganishka, I am asking one question. Okay. 4 2s are.
4 2s are 8.
I want 2-digit answer. It has to be 2-digit. Like you have to fill here. Like this. What will you write? Hmm? Ganishka,
Yes, sir.
tell me the answer.
08.
Correct. It has to be 08. Okay.
रनिंग का कराएगा
5 1 जा
मैं रनिंग में कैसे करना चाहता हूँ
05.
05.
अभी
Okay.
बाबा
2 3 जा
मैं पढ़ो
06.
बस वही
3 3
लाइन
जा
पूरा स्प्रे
09.
09. Okay. So there are only few combinations which you have only single digit answer. That you write it as 2 digit, right? Now, why I am telling you this? There are 2 3 methods, but I am showing you today Vedic method, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Now
Yes.
everybody pay attention here, right? Now you know this, right? Now what will if you want to multiply 63 multiply by 9, how will you multiply? Ganishka,
Yes, sir.
if you multiply 63 multiply by 9, how will you do it?
Don't know.
What will you start with?
Don't know.
Dhiran,
What?
63 multiply by 9, how will you do it?
I need to write.
63 multiply by 9. Without writing, can you do it?
Yes.
बोलो आंसर बताओ कैसे how will you do it?
6 9s are 54.
Very good. Then
9 3s are 27. Then mix the two numbers.
very good. 54 plus 27. Add the center two numbers. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you write this here, Ganishka, listen.
567 is the answer.
Very good. 27. Okay. Now you add this 4 plus 2, 6. That is the answer. Dekho? You get a smiley, right? 39 multiplied by 9. What will be? 27 plus 81, right?
Yes.
Now this is 15 and 1 carry over, so it will become 25. Easy? Why it is going wrong? What is the problem? Chalo, tell me. What I did wrong? What I did wrong? Anybody can tell me where I was wrong?
Should I say?
Yeah, बोल बेटा.
मेरे को नहीं बोलना है.
Yeah, tell me बेटा. I written 17 plus 81. Where is the mistake? चलो बताओ. Sorry. 17 and 81. 3 nines are 17 and 9 nines are 81. Correct है? Is it correct or no?
Wrong.
No, क्यों? What is wrong?
Sad smiley आया इसके लिए.
Sorry?
Because sad smiley came.
Dhiran, I can't hear you बेटा.
Because sad smiley came.
That is okay. Where is the mistake, beta? You have to tell me the mistake. Where is the mistake? I know stat smiley beta is wrong, right? But
Should
where is
I
the
do?
mistake?
I'm doing
Yes.
the sum.
9 3 it is 27, correct? So this will not become 25. This will become 35, correct?
This is correct. 351.
Correct? Chalo. Kiara,
Yeah.
can you do this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you use your book to write the answer? I'll give you few questions to write, right? Will you solve? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do this?
Which
Everybody, everybody can do it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Chalo. So I am giving you this number here. Wait. I am making a box for each one of you. How many questions you want?
5.
Two rows I'll give you, right?
Only yes. Two.
Two rows. Two rows. Chalo. I'll give you the color. That color you have to use, right? This is one. If you finish with your working in given time, you can go to other one. Okay, chalo, this I am giving you another one.
So many songs. और मिडल वाले कौन करेंगे?
वो बेटा गैप इसके लिए रखा है कि तुम्हारा कंफ्यूजन नहीं हो, राइट? ठीक है, आई केप द गैप बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव अ कंफ्यूजन इन बिटवीन, राइट? चलो,
इतना सर अभी करना है?
यस, अभी करना है. रिमूव योर बुक एंड आई गिव यू अ नंबर. I'll give you your name according to you have to solve, and I'm going to give you 10 minutes. कितना?
10 minutes.
I'll give you 10 minutes to finish it, right? If you finish black, you can go to pink. Those who are gonna pink, they will go to brown. Those who are going to brown first, they will go to blue. Those who have given a blue first, they finish, they go to black, right? Yes or no? If in 10 minutes you are able to do it, और आराम से हो जाएगा. In fact, 10 minutes you can do all of this. Correct? Correct, na?
Yes.
So you have to write what you need to write. Just write in a book like this. So you can write this as black color, blue color, okay, and write answer. 1 answer, 2 answer, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the order. You don't have to question, only answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then second again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only write the answers. I don't want you to write, but in the same order. So when I ask you, you'll get to this. Then color, you are doing after blue finish, you go to black. You finish black, you go to pink. If you finish pink, you go to brown. Correct, eh? Okay. So first, everybody ready with a pen and book? Yes or no?
Sir, can I get a pen?
Very good. Gada, fatafat. Go and come fast. Everybody will sit with a pen and book and pencil, right?
Sir, I don't have book.
बेटा लेके आ जाओ. Get up everybody and bring it. Come on, I'm giving you 1 minute.
Sir,
Out of my house.
हाँ?
मैं घर में आई हूँ.
black वाला का first का answer
Answer नहीं चाहिए बेटा अभी. Answer नहीं चाहिए. I assign you one box, each one of you, right? Different box for different people, right?
How will I do?
क्या हो गया धीरान?
Book ही
क्यों
नहीं
रो रहा है?
बुक नहीं है.
तो लेके आना बुक. क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
मैं घर से बाहर, मैं घर में नहीं हूँ.
अरे तो पेन ले ले, पेन ले ले, कोई भी.
अरे इधर कुछ नहीं है.
कहाँ पे है तू? वेयर आर यू?
नानी न्यू हाउस.
हाँ तो नानी न्यू हाउस तो कुछ तो होगा ना, पेन पेपर.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं बेटा, ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा बेटा. यू हैव टू ब्रिंग पेन. तो पेंसिल और पेन तो लेके रखना पड़ेगा बेटा. यू राइट समवेयर ना, वेर यू राइट. चलो एक काम करो, कंप्यूटर पे राइट करो और आंसर भेजते जाओ मेरे पास. और क्या करो, कंप्यूटर पे राइट करो और कलर लिखो, कंप्यूटर पे आंसर लिख दो. अपना नोटपैड ओपन करो और उस पे लिखो. करेक्ट है?
मेरे को नहीं आता कैसे करने का.
पेपर पे नॉर्मल आंसर लिखते जाओ. ठीक है, चलो. रेडी एवरीवन? आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम.
मेरे को
Okay.
नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
धीरान बेटा, नहीं क्या समझ में? आंसर लिखना है इसका. दैट्स इट. अपने अपने पेपर पे आंसर लिखना है. चलो धीरान, फर्स्ट वन इज धीरान.
नहीं है सर.
ठीक है. देन कियारा. बेटा नहीं है तो आराम करो बेटा, अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. कियारा, आई एम गोइंग टू म्यूट एवरीवन फॉर 10 minutes. ओके कियारा. देन ध्रुवित.
With Hingo.
And then Ganishka. Gani. Okay. So Dhiran will start from here. If she finishes in 10 minutes, it will go to her this. If Kiara will start with this, if she finishes, she will go to this. And then this. Okay. I want to see how many you can do it in 10 minutes. Okay. I am muting everyone so nobody will be able to speak anything. And I'm going to put the timer, right? It is 39. It is 40. So I'm giving it till 50. Correct? Nobody is able to do anything. Just see this and start writing. Correct? I am not on the sit. I am keeping it mute for everyone. So everybody will focus. And after 10 minutes, I will unmute everyone. Write down. I've given the name of everyone. Just do this. Clear? All the best. Done, everyone?
No, sir.
How many you've done? How many you've done, beta? Ganishka? Ganishka?
I finished 3 columns.
Three columns.
Yeah.
You have to do row, beta, not column. You've done yours one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not done mine.
Yours are done?
Mine is not done, Dhruv.
Huh?
Full is not done.
Yours also not done.
No, not.
क्यों बेटा? तेरा भी क्यों नहीं हुआ? चलो, whatever those who have done, tell me. Okay. चलो धीरान. धीरान. धीरान unmute. ध्रुवित. कियारा.
यार मेरे पास पेज ही नहीं चलता, मैं कैसे करूं?
मैंने बोला था नोटपैड पे लिख, राइट? मैंने बोला था कंप्यूटर पे लिख. चलो, नहीं किया तो फिर जाने दो. कियारा,
हाँ?
टेल मी योर पिंक वन. व्हाट इज
First one 72.
हाँ?
Sir, can you wait for 1 minutes? I'm
Okay.
not done.
No, but first one you done 71 multiplied by 9.
Yes.
What is the answer?
72.
बेटा 71 multiplied by 9.
72 answer.
कैसे आएगा बेटा 72? इट इज नॉट 7 + 1 8 करके 9 नहीं करना है बेटा. व्हाट डिड यू डू इज? सो यू हैव डन ऑल रॉन्ग देन. ओके ध्रुवित.
Yeah.
16 multiplied by 7. I'll explain. ध्रुवित.
1, 1, 2.
हाँ,
1, 1, 2.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट 51 multiplied by 6.
1, 1, 4.
कहाँ 114 कौन सा कर रहा है बेटा?
मैं
नीचे वाला.
second.
ये
19, 6.
हाँ 19 6 ओके. देन 51 multiplied by 6.
51 multiplied by 6. 306.
306. Very good. Next
48. 384.
384. Very good. Next
3, 384. 373.
373.
और
Wrong.
उसके बाद 760.
Wrong है. 373 is the correct answer, or what answer you have?
Sorry, 873.
873. Correct. Okay. Next
9760.
760.
0.
Very good. ठीक है. चलो गणेशका.
नहीं हुआ मेरा.
हाँ, ठीक है. गणेशका नेक्स्ट 95 multiplied by 6. गणेशका.
Yes, sir.
95 multiplied by 6.
570.
570. Next 48 multiplied by 7.
164.
164. Wrong beta. How it can be 164? 164. अच्छा, this one you are saying 164. Okay. 164. Okay. Next. You are going horizontally.
Yeah.
Then
Um,
75
Next.
multiplied by 8.
600.
600. Next.
Next is 232.
232. Next,
Next is 44, 8, sir.
54 multiplied by 8.
Multiplied by 8. 432.
432. Next, 79 multiplied by 7.
79 multiplied by 7 minus 553.
553. Very good. Correct? Chalo. Now, Dhiran, you have not done, right? Dhiran? Okay, Kiara? Kiara? Kiara, keep your mic on, beta. Kiara? Where are you, Kiara? Kiara? हाँ ठीक है चलो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग वन मोर टाइम ठीक है आई एम सॉल्विंग धीरांस क्वेश्चन राइट 34 मल्टीप्लाई बाय तो 3 8 जा 24 राइट एंड 4 8 जा 32 once you do this you have to add this intermediate run right so 4 plus 3 7 correct clear Kiara how to do it
Yes.
99 multiplied by 981 plus 81 so this will be 8 plus 1 9 got it now here 11 multiplied by 9 is 99 that we know okay now here 6 7s are 42 plus 7 7s are 49 correct 4 plus 2 6 again now 18 multiplied by 6 it will be 0 6 plus 48 right now 6 4 6 plus 4 Kiara
For 10.
10 right so 10 you will go 0 here and you will get 1 carry over so 1 will be go here right 108 now 7 9s are 63 plus 8 9s are 72 correct now here 7 plus 3 7 plus 3
8.
Kiara 7 plus 3
10.
10 so 0 here and 1 will be go ahead right 6 become 7 correct got it beta how to do it
Yes.
will you be able to do it Dhiran समझ में आया
Yes.
Ganishka
Yes.
Ganishka and Dhruvit has done very well okay clear और नेक्स्ट टाइम पे बेटा धीरान तू कहां पर भी एक पेन और पेपर लेकर रखना है समझ में आया नानी के घर पे है किधर भी है बुक और पेन पेंसिल होना चाहिए तेरे पास क्लियर है यस और नो now we'll do the difficult one right now listen now I'm going to teach you division mentally correct what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you division mentally correct है are you ready
Yes.
okay this is even difficult this is much easier multiplication division is still very difficult correct कौन आया पक्ष आया क्या अच्छा ओके okay chalo so I'm closing this now I am doing multiplication division right chalo I'll open the division worksheet can you see my division worksheet
No, sir.
no let me share now here in division it is a perfect division right in perfect division what you'll do you have to think of a number and then you have to answer right first one I've done it for you can you see my screen Is my screen visible to you, everyone?
No, sir.
Why? It is sharing.
Yeah.
It should be visible now.
Yeah, now it is.
Now it is. Okay, ठीक है. Now I am solving this, huh? I am solving.
Not visible.
क्या हो गया बेटा?
Visible नहीं दिख रहा है.
क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है?
It's not visible.
चेक बेटा, तू लैपटॉप पे है बेटा के मोबाइल पे है?
Laptop.
तो लैपटॉप में दिखेगा बेटा विजिबल. एवरीबडी क्लियर है? ध्रुवित, आर यू एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन?
Yes.
Yes.
तो देन धीरान, क्या हो गया? अभी दिख रहा है?
नहीं.
क्या हो गया बेटा? चेक कर, तूने बेटा अलग विंडो पे गया होगा तो.
अभी दिखने लगा.
अभी दिखने लगा बेटा? कब से दिख रहा है सबको? तेरे को कैसे अभी दिखेगा? सबको एक ही साथ दिखता है. चलो, नाउ आई वांट टू डू इट. सेकंड रो आई एम डूइंग 138 divided by 6. So now what to check? You have to check 1. 1 can be divided by 6, yes or no?
मेरे को 138 डिवाइड बाय 6 नहीं आता है. 112 डिवाइड बाय 2 आ रहा है.
अरे शांति रख बेटा, आवाज मत कर अभी, खाली ध्यान दे कैसे करने का. राइट? बोलने में कम, सुनने पे ज्यादा ध्यान दे. ओके धीरान? धीरान? Okay. Now Ganishka, can I divide? First digit is what? 1. Can I divide 1 by 6? No, right? So what I have to take? So I have to put 0 here. Chalo, not division, right? So, but when you put the 0 first, it does not matter. So whether you put the 0 or don't put the 0, no problem. Then you got 13 divided by 6 possible, hai? Is it possible?
Yes.
Yes. So what? 13 comes in 6 table? Is
No.
13 comes in 6 table?
No.
नहीं यार.
No.
Then what comes? 1 minute. Dhiran, one person, Dhiran.
Yes.
Wait, you will get time. Okay, Ganishka, what comes in 6 table before
I
13?
don't understand. 12.
Sorry, beta, who is not understanding?
Dhiran.
Dhiran, wait. I explain you that I am started explaining you, beta. So wait. So 13 does not come into 6 table, right? So what comes into 6 table and where? 6
12.
6 12, right?
12.
So you have to put 2 here, right? Okay. And then when you 13 minus 12, what you do? What you get?
20. 13 minus 12. 1.
1. And then what is the next number?
8.
8. So take 8 beside 1, which will become 18. 18 comes in 6 table.
Yes.
Where it comes?
6 3s are.
Very good. 3 there. Correct, done. Answer done, right? Yes?
Yes.
I
Okay.
don't understand.
Huh?
I don't understood.
Who beta?
Dhruvit.
Dhruvid. Okay, chalo, do it. I'll do it one for you. One with you, right? Now you know 8 table.
Yeah.
Can I divide 5 by 8?
5 by 8. No.
No. So what you do? You take 50. 50 comes in 8 table.
No.
No.
What
Dhiran?
is the table?
एक मिनट रुको, अभी यार धीरान को म्यूट करना पड़ेगा. धीरान समझेगा नहीं. Okay, I am muting everyone.
Can you give me?
I'll just open the number. I'll just open the person who has to talk, right? Chalo. Okay. Dhruvit, unmute yourself, beta. Dhruvit, unmute karo, beta. Okay, chalo. Now, when you have 50 comes in 8 table?
50. No.
No. What comes in 8 table before this? And where?
48. 48
what-
comes. 48. 6.
What you should say? 8 6 are 48. So you have to write 6 here, correct?
Yes.
Then 50 minus 48 you have to do. What you get?
50 minus 48.
Hmm.
2.
2. And what is the last digit? 4, right?
How? Last digit 4,
So
yes.
put 4 beside your 2, which will become what?
6.
24 beside है. मैंने बोला ऐड मत करो, मैंने क्या बोला बाजू में रखो. क्या बोला?
बाजू में रखो.
तो 2 and 4 become what?
24.
So 24 comes in 8 table.
24. Yes.
Very good. हो गया 63. Very good.
Yes.
Now 42 comes in 7 table.
42. Yes.
Where?
6.
Very good. And remainder is 0 because 42 minus 42 becomes 0, right? And 7 comes in 7 table.
7 comes, yes. 7 comes in 7th table.
Yes, when?
1 draw.
1 जा. हो गया?
60 means,
Correct?
yes.
Okay. चलो, now I'll give you Kiara. You can unmute बेटा. Kiara, unmute बेटा.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Dhruvit, you'll keep an eye on this, see how it is solving, right? Everybody keep an eye. Okay. 46 comes in 7 table.
Yes.
46 comes in 7 table.
No.
Then what comes in 7 table before 46?
7 6 are 42.
No. So 7 6 you have to put 6 here, right? 46 minus 42, what you'll do? What will you get? 4. And keep the 9 beside 4. 4 9 will become what?
49.
49 comes in 7 table.
Yes.
Where?
7.
7s are right. Very good. Chalo. Next, 30 comes in 5 table.
Yes.
Where?
5. 5 6 are.
Very good. And no remainder, right? 5 6 are 30. And what is the number remaining? 5. 5 comes in 5 table.
Yes. 5 ones are.
Very good. Correct? Done?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Dhiran, unmute yourself. Very good.
I don't know how to do.
I will explain, darling. Why you are not paying attention? ठीक है, इसके लिए नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. 13 comes in 3 table.
No.
No. What comes in 3 table before this and where?
Before 13.
हाँ. What comes in? हाँ. 12. 3 4s are 12. Right? What is the remainder?
1.
1. And what is the last number?
Last number. I don't understand last number.
What is the last number? After 13, what is written?
12.
अरे what is written here? After 13 के बाद क्या है बेटा?
5.
5. So 1 remainder, 1 and 5 become?
15.
15. 15 comes in 3 table.
Yes.
क्या आता है? किधर आता है?
35 are.
Very good. हो गया?
नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
वापस एक बार कर. ढूंढ रही, जब तक नहीं समझेगा समझाऊंगा. 58 comes in 6 table.
58.
हाँ.
No.
No. What comes? And where? What number comes in 6 table before 58 and where it comes? Dhiran?
6
Six.
and 40.
6 9s are 54, right? What is the remainder?
4.
And what is the last remaining digit?
8.
8. 4 8 become what?
48.
48 comes in 6 table.
Yeah.
Where?
6 and 12.
Very good. Done? All are
Yeah.
correct, right? Dhiran, समझ में आया बेटा अभी?
हाँ.
Okay, one more you'll do. चलो, one more we'll do. 60 comes in 7 table. Next row. First come.
No.
No. What comes in 7 table?
7 8s are 56.
7 8s are 56. What is the remainder?
5.
हैं?
6.
अरे क्या कर रहा है? 56. 60 minus 56 कितना होता है?
60 minus 56.
तो कितना होता है?
4.
4. And what is the last digit? 4 and
9.
4 and 9 become
49.
कितना आता है 7 के टेबल में?
हाँ, 7 7s are 49.
Very good. Next. 22 comes in 5 table?
No.
No. What comes?
asking.
हाँ,
इसको पूछ रहे हो?
तेरे को ही बोल रहा हूँ बेटा, तू ही बोल रहा है. क्या होगा?
What?
20 divide by 5, right? So 22 comes in 5 table, yes or no?
No.
No. What comes in where?
2 5s are
हाँ, 2 5 है
10.
10 आता है यहाँ पे. 5 के टेबल में 22 के नीचे क्या आता है? What comes just below 22?
5 4s are 20.
Very good. 5 4s are 20. What is the remainder?
2
2. And what is the next digit?
0
2 0
20.
comes in 5 table.
Yes. 4
Where?
4.
Very good. Done. Chalo.
Yeah.
Next. 21 comes in 3 table.
How much I will do?
करना बेटा, अभी तेरे को करना था ना, बहुत दे रहा हूं तेरे को. 21 comes in 3 table.
बस हो गया.
हाँ नहीं, अभी मेरा मेरा बस नहीं हुआ. 21 comes in 3 table.
Last.
Viran,
Yeah.
21 comes in 3 table.
Yes.
Where?
7 3 ra.
7, right? And then comes 0 only, तो keep it 0, right?
Yeah.
अब बीच में बोलेगा?
नहीं.
नहीं, बीच में नहीं बोलेगा तो सबका तेरे को ही करना पड़ेगा. समझ में आया?
हाँ चलेगा.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है, चलो. एवरीबडी अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. एवरीबडी कैन अनम्यूट देम.
सर
हाँ बोल.
मुझको वो 135 मल्टीप्लाई बाय
डिवाइड बाय.
हाँ डिवाइड बाय
नहीं समझ में आया?
नहीं.
वेरी गुड. चलो ये वाला ना.
हाँ
चलो करो. 3 के टेबल में 13 आता है?
3 के टेबल में नहीं.
नहीं आता ना?
नहीं.
तो क्या आता है? व्हाट कम्स?
9
9 आता है. इसके पहले नहीं आता. 9 के बाद में क्या आता है?
12
12. वेयर आता है 12? 3 व्हाट?
3 4s are 12.
वेरी गुड. सो 13 minus 12 is what?
18 minus 12 1
1. And what is the next number?
3
अरे next number. After 13 what is the number given?
13 5
हाँ, तो 1 and 5?
15
15 आता है 3 के टेबल में?
15 हाँ
कहाँ आता है?
5 are
हो गया. Correct?
हाँ.
Do couple of them. 32 comes in 8 table. Next one. Next line. 328 divided by 8. 32 comes in 8 table.
Yes.
Where?
4s are.
Okay. 8 comes in 8 table.
8 comes in 8 table. Yes.
Where?
1s are.
हो गया.
41.
Next.
समझा.
43 comes in 8 table.
43 comes in 8 table. No.
No. What comes in?
42.
42 comes in 8 table. Very good.
40.
40. Where?
5s are.
Very good. 43 minus 40 बोल गए थे.
क्या?
43 minus 40.
43 minus 43.
3. And what is the next number?
Next number. 3.
3 है, 3 तो है, ले लास्ट डिजिट क्या है? व्हाट इज लास्ट डिजिट?
Of 43.
अरे लास्ट डिजिट क्या है यहाँ पे? व्हाट इज लास्ट डिजिट? 432, राइट? व्हाट इज द लास्ट डिजिट?
2.
2. So 3 and 2 will become what?
3 into 32.
32 comes in 8 table.
32, yes.
Where? हिरन लाफा खाएगा अभी एक।
For the.
करेक्ट। नाउ
Yes.
ओके, कियारा, कियारा,
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट वन। 39 डिवाइड बाय 7। 399 डिवाइड बाय 7। 39 comes in 7 table.
Yes.
No.
No. What comes, beta?
7 9 is 63.
अरे 7 9 is 63. I don't have to multiply. You have to check where 39 comes in 7 table. Hello.
39 doesn't come in 7 table.
What comes? Which is less than 39?
7 5 are
Very good. 7 5 are. 7 5 are how much?
35.
So what is the remainder? 39 minus 35. What is the remainder?
4.
4. And what is the last digit? The third
Last.
digit.
9.
So 4 9 49, right? 49 comes in 7 table.
Yes.
Where? Where it comes, beta?
7 7 are.
Very good. Done. Okay. 405 divided by 9. 40 comes in 9 table.
Yes.
40 comes in 9 table.
No.
What comes then?
Fine.
Huh?
4 come.
4 comes.
4 9 are.
9 4 the 36. Right? And what is the remainder? 40 minus 36. How much remaining? Yara. 40 minus 36. How much?
45.
45. 45 comes in 9 table.
9 5.
5. Done? हो गया? Easy है everyone?
Yes.
Now I'll show you how you have to do it mentally. चलो यहाँ पे tell me, I'll show you the working. I want you to do mentally because mentally it will save a lot of your time, right? So I'll just do this. Can I do this? Which one you want me to do it? I'll do it here. 8,
6
28.
6 8 8 divided by 8.
Okay, 6 8 8 6 8 8 divide by 8. Correct? Very good. Now 8 comes in a 68 comes in a table of 8.
No.
Dhiran, sorry, Dhruvit.
Yeah.
Wait, 68 comes in a 8 table?
8. No.
No. So what comes? And where?
8 8
Huh?
8.
8 the?
Wait.
Loudly bol, beta, I can't hear you. 8 8 the 64, right? So you have to do this mentally, correct? In the brain. You subtract this 4 and you take 8 down. What will become? It will become 4 is the remainder and 8, 48. 48 comes in a table of 8.
Yes.
Where?
40.
Loudly, beta.
No. No.
Hello?
Hello.
हाँ, where it comes? 48.
Exa.
6 48, right? The remainder 0, so your division is over, right?
Yes.
So answer is what? 86. Clear? All this what I am doing here, you can do mentally, right? You have to remember some of the numbers. That's it, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Easy, hai?
Yes.
Right. Now there is how many rows are there, right? Just see how many rows are there. You have 1, 2, 3. There are 23 rows. How many?
23 rows.
So you have to do 3 to 4 rows. This row you have to do like this, right? Then only you will get a smiley. If you do this way, anything goes wrong, you will not know. So you have to go row wise. You have to do this. Check the smiley. Agar aaya correct, move to next. Move to next. You have to do every day three rows, right? 3 to 4 rows every day. You will do 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And multiplication. Very easy. You can do 3 0 for that also, right? Will you be able to do it?
Yes.
Yes. Now try. If you are finding it difficult, you can write me in the group. Yes, sir, I am finding it still difficult. Everybody understand? I have still time. If you want, I can teach you right now one more time. Do you want me to teach one more time?
No.
Or you will know or your own?
I know about you.
Everybody will know? Yes or no?
Yes.
वेरी गुड. चलो मैं अभी एक असाइनमेंट बना देता हूँ तुम लोगों को. ठीक है, लेट मी गिव यू दिस असाइनमेंट. Okay. Now this is you have 1 week to do it. Next class. Acha, how many assignments are pending for you people?
I have one.
1. Okay. Now we have only one data handling. I think we have left. Okay. Let's check. I'll just open the screen. Now I know this is difficult for you, right? You find it difficult? Yes or no?
No. No.
Easy.
Little-
Very good. Who says no? Very good.
Means little hard for first, then after
But-
we learn it, it will be simple.
Very good. Excellent, darling. That is why I love you all, right? Because multiplication 2 digit by 1 digit and division 2 digit by 3 digit by
That's to 1D
1 digit. Correct? 2 worksheets. Correct?
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
So I'm sending you this division worksheet.
0 0 0. We
There it is. Loading it 1 minute. 1 minute. It is taking some time. I've given one worksheet for the remainder one also, right? How many have finished it? The remainder one, how many of you have finished? Hello?
Hello.
The remainder one, how many of you have finished? I already given one worksheet for the remainder, right? One minute, it is taking time. Can you see my screen?
No.
No?
No.
You can't see my screen?
I can do.
You can't see my screen? It is.
No.
Eh? I've
Sir,
shared.
I can see you.
अच्छा, okay, okay. It got disconnected. Again, the sharing screen. I'm sharing it one more time.
Yeah, now I can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I given one division worksheet. I'll give you one more worksheet, which is of multiplication, right? Will you be able to do this? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have doubt, next class I will take it one more time, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Today multiplication, 2 digit by 1 digit. Digit by 1 digit multiplication. Let me see whether it is the correct one or not, right? Let me see whether it is the correct one. It is opening properly or not. Yeah, it is opening. Correct? Okay? So how many questions you have? 23 into 6, 125 and 125, 250 questions you have, right? So this you have to do it in a 7 days. So
over or what?
नहीं, बाकी है बेटा, अभी क्या काम है? और 5 मिनट डार्लिंग, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
तो मैं निकल जाता हूँ ना
कहाँ जाना है तेरे को?
घर पे,
कौन से घर पे? अभी घर पे ही तो है तू.
नानी के घर पे हूँ.
Okay, I give you this worksheet, right? Division वाला, right? Quotient and remainder वाला. This is very simple one. Have you done this or no? How many are remaining? अच्छा, तुम लोग ने मेरा Have you read my this thing? My message is read किया क्या? If you want हाँ, ये कर दिया है, ठीक है. अंश का बाकी है. ध्रुवित and Kiara, many worksheet remaining. You want this thing or not? You want Christmas holiday or not? Yes. ये देखो VIMB. Check. What is I have written? क्या लिखा है? Those who want Xmas holidays have to finish all the pending assignment before 24th of December. Yeah. Hello. Read this. Rest all have to come online from 25th December to 1st of January as per the timing. 4 hours का class होगा. Who wants to come? Kiara, you want to come? From 25th December to 31st or 1st of January. Vacation नहीं मिलेगा. Kiara, Ganishka, is mom there?
No,
Ganishka, mom came?
no, sir.
No, what happened? Okay, Dhruvid,
Yes.
मम्मी है बेटा?
नहीं
नहीं है?
नहीं मम्मी क्लिनिक को गई.
क्लिनिक हो गई. ठीक है, चलो. So I'm sending you this worksheet. Ganishka, I'll send you, mom, the worksheet. Additional to this, what I've given you, you have to do 10 minutes every day, 15 minutes, right? 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, correct? It is single digit table. Just take a printout and do it. Okay, beta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Chalo. See you. Bye.
Bye.